Shreyo hi dhiro bhi preso vranite. Next word. Here what is the nominative? Well, we don't know all these things. Dhira. Dhira is nominative. अच्छा, धीरा ही प्रेयसः. प्रेयसः which vibhakti? Panchami. Shreyah. Shreya which vibhakti? Dvitiya. Okay. So, this dheer person, wise person, illumined person, far-sighted person, in compared to the preyas, he chooses Shreyas. Got my point? Instead of resting in situational joy, he wants to rest in the Atma joy and Ishwar joy. He also wants to rest. Don't think he is not resting. Instead of resting in the joy born out of situation, he rests in the joy born out of bhajan, meditation, self-control, sacrifice, surrender, ego giving up. I have given up my ahankar. I have given up my attachment. Is a bigger and deeper joy. Okay. What about other person? Who? Preyah, Mr. Preyas. So, Preyah Mandaha. Shruti is giving another word for that. Mandaha. Manda means what? Shankaracharya Bhagavan says, Albuddhi, dullard. Dullard, he is very sharp. He is a Nobel laureate. He may be Nobel laureate, but there is no value. Why? Because he is going through the life of gratification, Vasana fulfillment, Ahankar bigness. What is this project? Ahankar bigness project. Ego expansion project. What? Building expansion? Ego expansion project. Vasana fulfillment project, which is never attainable. You keep on chasing. You keep on running around and chasing around. You don't get anything at the end of the day. Rat race, at the end of the race, you are rat. Is afraid of a cat hiding under a mat. So there is nothing you got. But my ego I have expanded. More is your expansion of ego, more problem will be there. Why? More you will be hurt now. Yesterday night I was talking about ahankar. More a person is hurt because he become more touchy after that. His expectation is too much from others now. He is now more vulnerable. He is more attackable. He is not the person who can sit quietly. He will be always thinking, why he said like that? Why he did like this to me? Why he neglected me? Who is here to neglect me? What he thinks about himself? I was going, he did not wish me. What he thinks? After all, I'm also somebody. I'm not ordinary person. I'm his father also. Still he didn't wish me. Ramji was wishing his father every day. And I'm also father. Achha, but you're the church father. So what? You are not a biological father. You are the church father. Oh, so what? I'm a father of everybody. So Shreyo understood church father or not? Prayo Manda. Ram didn't wish the church father. He was wishing biological father. What he does now? Yogakshemadmanite. He chooses. What he chooses? Yogakshemad. One is yog, other is shame. Yoga and shame means what? So, Bhaskar writes one line. One day I have a dream for you. What dream I have for you? Maybe some of you will fulfill. Like I have a book. My book is totally in Sanskrit. In that there is a commentary of Bhagavan Shankaracharya. Beautiful and classical commentary. Those who were in the course, they have read it. Each word he elaborates. So one day you should know Sanskrit to that extent that you also can take this and read this. Yes, I also want. So he says this Preyasaha, he is dullard, alpa buddhi, yoga kshema. His whole attention is, who is the center of his life? Body joy, body gratification. Yog means what? What you don't have, you acquire. And kshema means what? What you have, you protect. So whole life is body centered. Whole life is body centered, ego centered. So what is his program? I told you just now, ego expansion program. I am leaving this company, going to another company. Why? Why are you leaving that? Because I was here assistant, deputy, joint, additional director. And in that company, I am joint additional deputy director. Salary is same, but I want there because I will have a better reputation there. This is my ego expansion. And I take care of mother, father also. Mother, father, they will take care. Who can? They can take care of themselves. They can cook food. They can be there. So there is not serving the higher project is not my project. Ego expansion project, sensual gratification project, Vasana fulfillment project. This is what I am living for. And therefore I am dullard. Why? Because this is non-fulfillable project. It will exhaust a person, and at the end, feeling is guilt. Feeling is, I'm not that good. I'm not very good, Swamiji. As you consider, I'm not that good. I'm not that good. I'm telling frankly about myself. I'm not that good person. Sorry to say like that. So, why? Because I don't live for higher. This is the meaning. Yogakshemat Vanite. I hope this is clear. This whole mantra is clear. Shreyascha preyascha manushyametaha tau samparitya vivinakti dhiraha shreyo hi dhiro bhi preyaso vranite preyo mando yogakshemat vranite. This is the one. If anybody can by heart it, it will gladden me. How by heart. And now Nachiketa thought. He said, this too you praise the seeker. Where am I standing? I hope I am not in the second category. I hope I am not the one which you are mentioning. So he clarified now. Who? Yamraj. He is clarifying. Third mantra. Please repeat. Sattvam priyan priyarupamscha kaman. Again. Sattvam priyan priyarupamscha kaman. Abhidhyayan Nachiketotyasrakshihi Naitagam Srinkam Vittamai Mavaptaha Yasyam Majjanti Bahavo Manushyaha. Again. Sattvam priyan priyarupamscha kaman. Sattvam priyan abhidhyayan nachiketotyasrakshihi naitagam srinkam vittamai mavaptaha yasyam majjanti bahavo manushyaha. Bahavo manushyaha. After discriminating between two, Yamadharmaraj is now praising. Itna अच्छा praise कर रहे हैं. Somebody should praise us also. So Sattvam, that you means Tadrishtvam. Tadrish, that you means what? That you must not. That means that you who are standing in front of me, that means that who was tempted again and again. That you punah punah maya pralobhyamanopi. I tempted you repeatedly. With what? Priyan. Priyan means dear one, very dear. Formal, I mentioned the dear ones. Uncle, aunties, son, grandsons. Whom you say my own people, whom you like to spend your birthdays, etc. in dance there in festival. That tvam, sattvam, priyan. And priyarupashtam is what? Attractive, charming, beautiful. Priyarupashtam is beautiful object like damsels, apsaras, chariots, song, dance, whatever sing. Apsara prabhati lakshanan. And abhidhyayan. He Nachiketa. Which case is Nachiketa here? Vocative. Good, some of you can remember. Vocative. Addressing his. He Nachiketa. Who Nachiketa? Vocative. Abhidhyayan. Abhidhyayan means you well thought. What you thought? What you thought? Anityatva, asaratva, adi doshan. You saw it has no essence. This enjoyment are only namesake. There is no essence in it. There is no real joy. It is a joy. It is an illusion of joy. There is no essence in that. There is no long-lasting joy in it. Achha? It is all for namesake. It is there. There is no great joy. Forever it is not there. That is called dhyayan. What is the word here? Abhidhyayan. I said well thought of. That what will be the end of all this enjoyment? Who can pause in your recording system? There is a pause also. Pause. When you hear music, you can pause also. So you pause and think. कहाँ जाएंगे? What is the end result? अरे यार, what is this? Moment temptation comes, instead of immediately applying, one should stop. One should have a habit of holding on for 2 minutes. When you are angry, don't express it. Just hold for 2 minutes. And try to extend this 2 minutes to 3 minutes. Well, if I keep on extending, when will I get angry? No, this is what I'm saying. You are having a pause to investigate. Is it worth? Is it worth giving my energy and attention to it? Is this issue such a big thing? Is enjoyment so big enjoyment that I'm sacrificing the peace of my mind? So this is called asaradi. Atyasrakshi means you threw away. Atyasrakshi means you threw away, you gave up. Okay, you gave up. Acha, and then, and there he says in the commentary, Aho buddhi matatav. Oh, what a great you are, what an intelligent person you are. Aho buddhi matatav. Oh, what a brilliant you are. And then, he gave that mala, if you remember. Well, who gave? I remember. Nachiketa gave to Yamraj. So, when he gave, when he repeated, the second boon was there. When he told the ritual, Nachiketagni, he repeated as it was, verbatim, it is called. Not that in dots and dashes he repeated something like we repeat. He repeated everything as it was. And then he returned that mala now. But I don't want any joyous thing. Naitam Srinkam. It was not written there. Here it is written. He did not know that. I think that time only he must have returned that. So he says, Naitam avaptvan asi srankam kutsitam mood janapavuttam vittamaim dhanaprayam. Here returning means I return all the wealth that you are giving to me. Here he is returning every wealth he is giving him. And then he says, Yasyam majjanti bhava manushya, in which majority are drowned in it. What majority? Therefore don't go with majority. Truth is not decided by majority. Only everybody is doing like that. Everybody follows this path. Everybody is career oriented. Everybody wants to this. Everybody wants this thing. Everybody is drinking nowadays. It's not that old days. Everybody wants to have one peg. One peg, everybody. See, peg should be there in your cupboard only. No. Not that peg. I'm taking off that peg is there, which is in the glass. Everybody, all the students are taking. What? Why should I will feel, people will think I'm backward. People will think, people say like that. They will think, if I don't put on this dress, they will think I'm backward. If I don't put on this dress, if I don't have this hairstyle, they will think I'm backward. So I try to fit as society will see me. Outwardly, not inwardly. Inwardly, I am garbage is there. But outside, I want to present as if I'm a very sophisticated person. So that I have a good place. I put on. If they are offering me a peg, I'll also take. Otherwise, I'll be rejected. I think he will feel, what is this? What kind of person you are? If they are offering me one cigarette, what's wrong in that? I'm not habituated. I'm just having once in 1 hour. So whole person is drowned in it. Drowned in eating, drinking. Addiction is there. Going out. Very outward, extrovert life. And if you talk about bhajan, etc., supposing you're a student, you say, I'm going for a spiritual program. They will say, oh, you are okay. What happened to you? Are you fine? You are getting depression or what? Mentally you are okay? You need a psychiatrist? Don't go to Swami, etc. Go to psychiatrist. You are too young. Hardly you are 82. So, you are too young for that. What has happened to you? Come on, live a normal life. Once in 1 month, one class is okay, one satsang is okay, once in 1 month, okay, 15 days. What is this 4 classes per day? Are you crazy or what? See your age. 4 classes one day. What? Who teaches what he has to say? What it does on 4 days? 4 classes a day. Oh my God. And now they say, oh my gosh. I don't know why from gosh has come from God. Gosh kahan se aa gaya? It is for God only. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Like buddy. He is my buddy. Friend nahi bolte. Earlier it was said, he is my friend. He is my buddy. Buddy? Not body. Buddy. B-U-D-D-Y. Okay. Oh, buddy, how are you? People say like that. Who is fool? Ask Nachiketa. We are so easily. People are drowned into it. This, university you go and see. You must be, some of you are already studying and some have already studied. See the environment there. See how they dress, see how they present themselves, how they eat, how they drink, what they talk. What they talk, whether it is boys or girls. Don't think girls are Sati Savitri. Among them, if you sit them and see what they talk, oh my God. And these boys, what to say about them? Trigunatit they are, beyond 3 gunas. Here you are coming in ashram life Temple is there, ton, part is going on, Pandit ji is there, Tikauka is there, Swamiji is there. Urdam Ulamada Shakam chanting etc. are going on. We are putting on proper dress also, presentable also, not talking anything bad, not speaking bad, not abusing anybody. All the words come of abuse off and on, but I don't say. I feel like doing some mantra chanting for that person, but still I hold on. That tendency won't go. What I hear by all these words come inside through hearing only. They have given our diksha. Those people with the cigarette etc. or who are very whatever you call them, I have those words. So here ashram is very different, very well protected. Where are you going? You have to tell. When will you come? Swamiji is there. These mantras are there. Sadhana, satsang, this, that. Ordinary world kya hai? Mummy, papa, who cares about mummy and daddy? Yaar? They are on the phone and chewing is going on. How are you, ma'am? On? Dad is come. Okay. Okay. Why? Oh, but dad wants that you should stay in the. Mommy, don't trouble me. It's my busy time. Okay. Thank you. Bye. This is how they talk. No, dad is not well. Okay, let him take medicine. If you need me, let me know. Okay, bye. Don't disturb. Okay, close the door. Lock it. Daddy is milling. Come for food. Daddy is milling. Mummy is milling. And she is milling. Server is down. After 1 hour, server will be down. Please come. This is the style there. In ashram, there is a swarg, Nobody, everybody is quiet. If you go out and come inside, you will get a jolt. Supposing you go out for 2 hours, 3 hours, you'll get a shock, right? And when you go out also, from both sides you'll have a good jolt. Then you miss, that quietness is gone, that serenity is gone. Where is that meditative environment is there? You realize more the value of the ashram when you are not in the ashram. Here it is all, you will feel it is very normal. But when you go, then you miss, I want to go back again. What are they talking? Now you have developed your mind and your Sattva has now become more. So you can't tolerate 2 Rajoguna and what is this person saying? What is this? What is this? Ordinary person is the third class joy and therefore they are sad whole life. Terribly sad. Because they are not living for a principle. All sad, depressed, compressed, suppressed people are having ego expansion project, Vasana fulfilling project, sensual gratification project. Only 3 projects are there. And God and system does not allow you for this project. You are not meant for this project. You can never fulfill. Then they are crying for that. You see your relatives, nowhere to go somewhere else. Within your relatives of 10-20 people, you can see all models. हम सही बता रहे हैं आपसे. I'm not saying anything wrong. I also have lived in the college. Many years I was in the college. Not for 1-2 years. Many years. I used to observe everything. I also move in the society. People talk like this. Pray for my son. Pray for my son. My son is going through difficult time. What, physically? No, he is failing in the university 4 times. Oh, he also like you only. Why should I pray? Why don't you pray? Come in the ashram and pray. Offer milk pot on Mondays and pray. That you don't offer. All of you at least should offer milk pot. If you don't have money, ask me. But not for whole life, ask me. Just for once. Because that God brought you, that is expression of saying thank you. that God who chose you here, you cannot be ungrateful to that God. You say, thank you, God. Give me the strength to follow the path. This is my expression of gratitude. How? Pray for me. I should pray for you. Your son doesn't come anyway. Never he shows himself. This is small thing. A small thing bothers them. There is no big thing to think. There is no seva. There is no bhakti. There is no, my life is for my parents only. That also they don't say. My life is for my guru, to forget about that. Guru to hai nahi koi. कुछ भी नहीं. Small thing. और बनाओ ये प्रोजेक्ट तुम्हारा एक ego expanded, no, and now you're not able to expand your ego. Therefore you are sad today. God resists your ego expansion. And dharma resists your sensual pleasures. And society resists your vasana fulfillment. I cannot fulfill all my vasanas. People will say you are doing too much enjoyment. It is not good. Be in your limits. Okay. And therefore, here Yam Dharmaraj is now saying, Duramete viparite vishuchi avidyaya cha vidyeti gyata vidyabhipsinam nachiketa sammanne नत्वा कामा बहवो लोलुपन्ता. Once more. दूरमेते विपरीते विशुचि अविद्याया च विद्येति ज्ञाता विद्याभीप्सिनं नचिकेतसं मन्ये नत्वा कामा बहवो लोलुपन्ता. See, he is saying here, these two paths are far away from each other. Remember I said yesterday, one was P train, other was S train. दूर में, they are distant from each other. कहीं कहीं पहुंच जाओगे. Please note one point. Don't confuse that Shreyas, for following Shreyas, you have to leave the world and live in solitude. Is not what is meant here. You can live in the world, live as husband, wife, live in the business, live anywhere. No problem. You can live in crowd, live as a person who is earning. Only for what you change that. You should earn money, but don't say only for myself. In my earning, parents also come, God also comes, teacher, all have their place. And where you come, I come at the bottom. I think they will get more. Not my point. Duramete, these two paths are far away from each other. Which one? Avidyaya cha vidyeti gyata. So one is the path of ignorance, other is the path of knowledge. Vidyata. Ya avidya iti gyata. Ya cha vidya iti gyata. So what is avidya and what is vidya? So he thought, where am I fitting? He is saying, Nachiketsam, to you, I think you are the seeker of moksha only. Vidya means here moksha purusharth. Vidya means here one who wants to know the ultimate. Vidya means here one who is wanting absolute joy with 5 conditions. 5 conditions. And he is seeking the joy where joy is. Vidya bhipsinam manne. Why? Natva kama bahavo lolupanta. Lup is the dhatu in Sanskrit. It means lump, to cut away, to break away. Lup. And lolupanta means many desires could not cut your higher thought, could not sever your bigger ambition. Okay. could not digress you from your main goal. Okay. Praising so much. Okay. Very good. This is the meaning. I'll come back to it in our next class. You just contemplate, take Lord's name, revise, discuss, and let this idea sink into us. Like eaten food doesn't give you health, digested food gives you health. So only heard knowledge we know. You have to get convinced. Let it assimilate in yourself. More we will see in our next class.